better. Today's function is, I say, it is the endeavor of the Airport Authority of India, led by its director, to be the best among all the airports. If there is a saying, you have to be not only be good, better, best. So their endeavor is to be the best in all terms. As you have seen, two additional washrooms have been commissioned today. And if you look at those washrooms, both the interiors, exteriors, with the type of amenities that they have created, shows that it is of true international class. And that is what the Dabolim Airport is all about. We are not lacking behind in any form. Like for example, you have a babysitting arrangement when a mother moves to the ladies' toilet. For single fathers as well, similar facility is there. And if you look at the interior, you don't feel you're in a bathroom. I remember long ago when there used to be complaint about the type of toilet, number of toilets. Now it is not only the numbers that have come in place to cater to the rising air passenger traffic, but I think it is also the quality which people will feel that as if they are in some foreign country and having the same facilities here. As far as commissioning of the gates, two additional departure gates have been commissioned, and they have done it in the modern way wherein even air conditioning will not be affected. So what it shows that we are moving in a direction that all that was lacking is being provided in the shortest possible.
At the outset, happy Deepavali to all of you. And in fact, I must thank all the stakeholders, including CISF, airlines, customs, immigration, for helping us to do all the modification work that we have shown you today. In fact, the main challenge for our AI team, including the engineers and the other contractors, was to carry out the work in a functional terminal building. We were working at the same time, we were handling the passengers also. You know the number of passengers that fly through Goa Airport. We renovated the entire washroom. At the same time, we catered for the passengers' requirement also. Even if you see the gates, these were one of the gate was the old gate, which we closed and renovated. At the same time, we were managing the passenger flow also. So for our team, AI team and the contractors which we engaged, the main challenge was to do this work in the functional terminal building. Today's facilities, three facilities that the Honorable Minister inaugurated. See, the washroom you have already seen. It is one of the best washrooms you must have ever seen in any of the airports, with the facilities that we have provided. In addition to that, we have started two new gates today. As the Honorable Minister said, we are going to have 4 gates in future, out of which one gate is exclusively for the staff or the elderly people or the other dignitaries like ministers and MLAs, and 3 gates we'll have for the exclusive passengers. As of now, we are only having 2 gates. Because of that, when the peak time is there, we have a lot of congestion in the city side. Already we have very less space in the city side of the terminal. So with these 3 new gates for the passengers are going to be distributed among 3 gates instead of 2.